Let's be realistic. At this point, content creation starts to feel like some grind. You have ideas, but it is the actual putting them into action, the execution into something concrete, something that really has attention, that is hard work. And when all those others are sprinting ahead while using tools and tricks that make their content production look effortless, well, they're scratching my head trying to figure out how to pump out engaging, watchable shorts without losing my sanity. And then it clicked. What if I used AI to do 90% of the heavy lifting? ChatGPT to write the content and Canva to package it up at lightning speed. Today, I want to show you exactly how I do it so you can do it too. Step number 1, preparing to create content. See, before you jump into Canva or ChatGPT, you need a plan. Yeah, I know, it sounds boring. Stay with me for just 1 second though. You are not going to be in Canva or ChatGPT all day, especially not at the top level, unless you are going to know your audience first. Start by choosing 3 to 4 core topics that connect with your audience. It could be motivational content, tech reviews, or entertainment, or whatever else goes well with your channel. With these topics in mind, do some quick keyword research. That has nothing to do with sifting through hours of search volume. It's more about making people realize what they really look for. You might get a hand from TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and with AI tools like ChatGPT, you can brainstorm ideas of what you want to make with that keyword. A simple prompt like, what are some engaging ideas for shorts about fitness motivation, could give you a gold mine of starting points. See, idea is making it so streamlined that by the time you get to content creation, you are not sitting there wondering what to make next. You've got your topics, you've got your keywords, and you've got your plan. Now let's go into the fun stuff. Step number 2, create and generate images through Canva. Canva is just a powerhouse of really, really great looking designs and really perfect for YouTube Shorts. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's very intuitive. I'll walk you through getting started. First, go over to canva.com and open an account if you don't have one. Log into your account, then select YouTube Shorts as a template. I mean, Canva has pretty much prepared a ton of templates that are just fine for shorts, and you don't need to worry much about dimensions or working your way from scratch. But pick a template that simply catches your eye. However, remember, it doesn't matter whether it is perfect or not. It is about finding something you can modify and make your own. You begin customizing through adding your text, adjusting the colors to match what you're using for all your branding, and the elements that will make this unique to you. Using Canva's drag and drop interface makes it more accessible. Simplicity in designs should be implemented, but not to the point it is dull. Bold fonts, along with bright colors and well-crafted messaging, make their viewers come alive as if they're scrolling through the shorts. Flash floods seem unrelenting. Flight reality, after-hours drugs, sanctuary, sleepover, exploration, the ritual, and disastrous net-worthy Toy Story. Such a fun game. Flushcraft and creative process make their viewers come alive as if they're scrolling through the shorts. One tip, use Canva animation features to make your designs pop. A little bit of movement can make your shorts stand out among the crowd. And if you're using visuals like photos or icons, make sure they align with the theme of your short. Consistency helps in building a recognizable brand that viewers want to follow. Step number 3, ChatGPT as a scripting writer. Now that we have those visuals out of the way, let's talk about scripts. A good short begins with a hook, which is the line that captures the attention of the viewer immediately. This is where ChatGPT comes into play. ChatGPT is an AI designed to help you create compelling content, even if writer's block is getting in your way. Most political scientists agree that you're most persuasive when your argument has a little degree of truth to it, even if writer's block is getting in your way. For example, let's say you want to create a short based on how to increase productivity through various hacks. You could therefore ask ChatGPT something like, give me 3 interesting options for a YouTube hook short about productivity tips. It's going to be used to give ideas not only hooks, but the whole script to the short. Use simple words and direct with an impact. Remember, shorts give value in a hurry, or maybe a quick tip or some funny story. There can be concise, useful, and effective scripts provided using ChatGPT. It gets straight to the point. If the first output is not what you like, then panic not. Refine your prompt. Try doing something a bit more specific. The more you describe, the better the output is. Example, write a motivational script for a 15-second YouTube short talking about the need to overcome procrastination. YouTube short. Step number 4, integrating tools for seamless workflow. Having in your hands your visuals created through Canva and your scripts prepared by ChatGPT, how do you fit fit all this together efficiently, that is where the system comes in. This is the thing. I recommend that you do the following. Batch your work. You can write 10 to 20 scripts at a time using ChatGPT, and once you have those, then you move over to Canva and make all of the corresponding visuals. The beauty about this method is that one can be in one mode at a time, either writing mode followed by design mode, or vice versa, where one is not constantly switching back and forth between the two. It saves up mental energy and keeps going with the creative flow. After you've got your scripts and visuals, use a simple video editor like CapCut or even Canva's built-in video editor to bring everything together. Drag in your visuals, add the voiceover or text, and you're ready to go. The whole idea is to minimize friction. Everything should feel smooth, almost like an assembly line, where each part of the process fits seamlessly with the next. Another key part of streamlining your workflow is to automate repetitive tasks wherever possible. For example, tools like ShortX can help you handle editing tasks such as cutting down video clips, generating captions, and adding transitions automatically. This means you can take care of all those time-consuming editing jobs with just a few clicks, saving you hours of manual work. You can also create a list of common assets like intro and outro clips, music, or branding elements that can be reused across multiple videos. Having a folder of ready-made elements to pull from will help you speed up the editing process significantly. It's also important to stay organized. Use folders and labels for scripts, visuals, and video drafts to keep everything in one place. I like to create a dedicated workspace for each project so I always know where to find things when I need them. This helps reduce stress and saves time when you're in the midst of content creation. When you're in production mode, consistency is your best friend. A well-defined system keeps you on track and allows you to produce content at a high volume without sacrificing quality. The AI tools we're using are meant to work in sync. ChatGPT and Jasper for ideation and scripting, Canva for design, and ShortX for editing, creating a process that's as efficient as possible. Lastly, don't forget to analyze your workflow after each project. Take note of what worked well and what didn't. You'll find that with every iteration, the process gets smoother and you become more comfortable working with the tools. The more refined your system, the more time you save and the easier it becomes to consistently produce high-quality content. Step number 5, monetization strategy. All right, let's talk about money because, hey, let's be frank, making all these shorts is great, but let's not forget that it all has to be worth it for you. YouTube Shorts can now be monetized, but there's just a little more to posting and waiting for the dough to roll in. You first have to know the monetization policy on YouTube Shorts. This platform has requirements that enable one to benefit monetarily through viewership and subscribers. However, outside YouTube's monetization, this Shorts tool is amazing as a channel builder. Views are correlated to more subscribers and more possibilities in the potential to earn through long videos, brand collaborations, or affiliate marketing. That's all for today. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos.